Hi, I'm Zara, an agent engineer at SmythOS. In this video, I will show you how to build agents with memory using Llama Index and SmythOS. First, I installed Smyth CLI. This is easy using the npm install command. Next, we initialize a new project. Simply create an agent with SRE, short for Smyth Runtime Environment. We'll call it Llama Index Agent. Then, we edit my main agent file, index.ts. We're in this file right now. While SmythOS comes with built-in RAG functionality out of the box, Llama Index specializes in supporting many different ways to interact with memory. So for this tutorial, we'll install Llama Index. For step 5, we'll install project dependencies for Llama Index. Since our project will use the OpenAI model, SmythOS provides a secure way to store your API keys outside of your agent file. This is called the vault. We'll add our API key here. Now, we built the project with npm run build. Finally, we are ready to run the project with npm start. Now let's take a look at how I built the agent with SmythOS. First, I import a vector store index document and settings from Llama Index. Then, I will import the embedding tools from OpenAI. This is used to store data into a vector database and make it searchable. Next, we configure the settings for Llama Index, which includes our embedding and LLM. Now we'll include a few documents we want to feed the Llama, and after that, we feed those documents to the vector store index, which will convert and store the documents. Now we define a Smyth agent. I called it Llama Index Assistant. That's so easy. Let's give the agent a skill, searching our database and respond in natural language. You will see the results in a moment. For our second skill, we added a document retriever, which finds relevant documents from our database. Now it's time to see the agent in action. We ask the agent to run the Llama Index search skill and provide it with a question. In the terminal, you can see the query and the answer. What is Llama Index? And how does it help with RAG? It searched through the vector database, and it responded in natural language. Next, let's try our second skill. We invoke the agent with the retrieve document skill. Our question is, how do vector databases work in AI applications? Let's take a look at the response to this question. You can see that the output ranks the most relevant documents, with confidence scores and the document title, as well as the most relevant content. When we compare it with our original documents, you can see the snippet with the highest relevance was pulled from this document. And that's all. You can see how easy it is to give your agents memory. Remember, essential RAG support is already built in with SmythOS. However, now you also know how to use the most sophisticated retrieval systems with Llama Index and Smyth combined. I hope you love this video and see you in the next one.
SmythOS! Ride the llama. Skip the drama.